For most people who are on their journey of spiritual awakening or self-realization, it may feel like they are alone on their spiritual journey. On this path of enlightenment, you start to lose your interest in superficial things of this world. But as the majority of people around you are running after material things, you find yourself more and more disconnected from them. It becomes hard for you to connect even with your family members and friends, as they don't seem to understand the intriguing world of spirituality. Friends, you need to understand that spiritual experiences and insights are often highly personal and subjective. These experiences may be very difficult to convey to others who have not had similar experiences. Not only this, each person walking on this path has his own unique journey. But don't be sad. Let me tell you that walking the spiritual path alone can be a powerful and transformative experience. The spiritual path requires deep introspection, self-awareness, and personal growth that can only be achieved through one's own efforts. Path of spiritual awakening involves a process of self-discovery and understanding, which can only be done by the individual themselves. The spiritual journey often involves confronting and overcoming one's fears and challenges. This can be a difficult and sometimes painful process, and it requires a great deal of inner strength and resilience. While others can provide support and guidance, ultimately the individual must face these challenges on their own. Spiritual growth often involves letting go of attachments and dependencies on external factors, including other people. This doesn't mean that one becomes isolated or disconnected from others, but rather that one learns to rely on their own inner wisdom and guidance. Always keep it in mind, while the spiritual journey may feel lonely at times, it is a path of profound personal growth and transformation that is well worth the effort. Walking alone on the spiritual path does not mean that one cannot seek guidance or support from others on the path. In fact, many spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of having a spiritual community or guru who can offer guidance, support, and inspiration along the way. We must examine our beliefs and values and determine what is truly important to us. We must discover our own path, our own truth, and our own purpose. While we can learn from the experiences and insights of others, ultimately we must make our own choices and decisions. Never forget that the spiritual journey is not a destination, but a continuous process of growth and evolution. It is a lifelong journey that requires ongoing commitment and effort. While we may have companions along the way, ultimately it is up to us to take responsibility for our own growth and development. So friends, this is all for now. All the best for your spiritual journey. If you found the video interesting, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.